Welcome back to YouTube my channel Potongan Film. Kali ini kita akan membahas alur cerita film series terbaik yang berceritakan tentang penjahat yang paling dicari, dan tiba-tiba saja dia menyerahkan diri ke anggota FBI. Why? Tanpa banyak basa-basi, langsung saja kita masuk ke alur ceritanya. Intro.
I need you to tell me what Zamani said.
Are you hurt?
No.
Ужасно! Ray Sweatshirt, he's got the bomb!
Kisah diperlihatkan seseorang yang sedang duduk di depan gedung FBI. Tak lama kemudian, datang temannya dengan membawa sebuah koper. Dan dia pun berkata,
Must be good to be home again, sir. Yeah.
Bapak itu pun mulai masuk ke gedung FBI dan menanyakan asisten direktur FBI, yaitu Harold Cooper.
Afternoon. I'm here to see Assistant Director Harold Cooper.
Dia pun menyebut dirinya dengan nama Raymond Reddington.
Tell him it's Raymond Reddington.
Dan ternyata dia adalah penjahat yang paling dicari di seluruh dunia. Dan dia adalah Raymond Reddington. Scene diperlihatkan Harold yang sedang memandangi sang kriminal tersebut.
Really is him. Something we never even heard of. What does he want? Briefcase containing every alias he's ever used. Came in with the...
Tim FBI pun masih bingung apa tujuan Raymond tiba-tiba menyerahkan diri ke anggota FBI.
Don't know, won't talk. He's a stone.
Call lab services. Ship RFID tag. Symbol of full intel review. NSA.
Until 4 years later. When classified. Then, in 1990, Reddington's criminal.
Out.
Dan Raymond pun memulai pembicaraan kepada Harold.
I have many questions here. 86 attack on the U.S. Embassy in Damascus. Foreign nationals from the French consulate in Algiers. The abduction of the Sixth Sense is unrelated. 2002 breach of the Krung Thai Bank in Bangkok. I can tell you one man is responsible for.
Dia menyebutkan satu nama, yaitu Ranko Zamani.
For all three. His name is Ranko Zamani. You want him.
Sedangkan Ranko Zamani telah tewas 6 tahun yang lalu.
I want him.
Ranko Sinisa Zamani, Serbian national educated in the U.S.
At the moment, our interests are aligned.
Been dead for 6 years. He's a non-existent threat.
Then it
Harold pun salah. Ternyata Ranko Zamani masih hidup.
He entered the country under the name Sasha M. Chaco.
You have my attention.
were you wrong?
I was wrong.
Yes, you were wrong.
Raymond pun menawarkan bantuannya kepada anggota FBI untuk menangkap Ranko Zamani.
Zamani, but first.
Tapi dia mempunyai syarat, yaitu dia hanya ingin berbicara kepada Elizabeth Keene, anggota FBI yang baru masuk.
I speak only with Elizabeth Keene.
Who the hell's Elizabeth Keene?
FBI pun menjemput Keene di kediamannya dengan full anggota.
My first day!
Donald Wrestler, Washington.
Kin pun mulai dipertemukan dengan Raymond.
Dean, what a pleasure.
Well, I'm here.
Tampaknya Raymond pun senang akan kehadiran Elizabeth Kin.
You got rid of your highlights.
Raymond pun berkata, "Kau sangat spesial."
Oh, I think you're very special.
Zamani.
Raymond pun memberitahu apa rencana Ranko Zamani dan kenapa dia masih hidup.
Yeah, where Ranko Zamani will abduct the daughter of U.S. General Daniel the girl. Kind of diversion, communications will be scrambled.
Tak lama kemudian, Kin pun pergi ke tempat sekolah anaknya jenderal yang bakal jadi target operasinya Ranko Zamani.
The guns, please. We don't want to scare the kid.
Sweetie, this lady needs to speak to me. Don't be scared. I just need you to come with me, okay?
Dan tiba-tiba saja
What's going on?
Road closed. We'll be turning around.
Hey, what's going on up there?
Hazmat has the room.
Call your daddy.
Yeah, I want to tell him I'm okay.
ya, ucapan Raymond itu benar. Dan si anak pun berhasil diculik oleh tim Ranko Zamani. Scene pun berpindah ketika Kin bersama Raymond.
This is in your hands now. That's all I knew.
Dan Kin pun butuh bantuan Raymond untuk memberitahu soal Ranko Zamani.
Need your help with Zamani.
Dan Raymond pun meminta pertukaran pertanyaan kepada Elizabeth Kin.
I'll tell you. Tell me about the scar on your palm.
Ceritakan soal bekas luka di telapak tanganmu.
There's a fire.
Tried to hurt you. Noticed how you stroke it.
Not exact.
May I see it? Is the child really what you want?
Raymond pun memberitahu soal Ranko Zamani.
Well, at least you know what Zamani looks like. I haven't seen him in years. Oh my goodness.
Tak lupa juga, Raymond pun menyusun strategi. Dan dia menyebutkan beberapa nama dalam kasus Ranko Zamani.
Pointing at the wrong guy here.
Miroslav. They call him the chemist.
Hey, you can't
A highly regarded munitions expert. He left MIT to work for Russian wars. Hell, any of this is. A banker. Name's Reinhardt. Ooh, a German. What about the chemist? Girl and a father.
Your 36-hour timeline would suggest a singular event.
Kin pun mengerti apa yang dimaksud oleh Raymond.
Whatever Zamani's planning is
Cops are so objective, they're obligated to protocols.
attack.
The cop.
Dan tim FBI pun mulai bergerak ke arah lokasi TKP.
Okay, let's move. We're on.
Tidak lupa Raymond pun memberikan bantuannya kepada Kin.
I have an acquaintance. An innkeeper runs a series of safe houses. Lean on him.
Dan Raymond pun diberikan fasilitas khusus oleh FBI sesuai yang dia inginkan.
Live it up, pal. It's awfully nice to have you back. There's complimentary champagne.
FBI pun berhasil menemukan sang kimiawan tersebut.
Where's the chemist?
FBI. Hands.
Scene pun berpindah ke Raymond yang sedang menikmati santapannya sambil dipantau di kamera CCTV FBI.
Can one guy be? I kissed her and she kissed me.
Saat Kin pulang ke rumah, dia mendapatkan surprise dari sang suami.
Oh my. Did they say it?
Dan Kim pun terkejut melihat sang suami sudah babak belur seperti itu.
Baby! How did you do this? Oh my god, I can't. This is exact. Tom.
Dan di balik semua itu, pelakunya adalah Ranko Zamani.
Sit down. Say, or I'll shoot your husband.
Ranko pun bertanya,
I was in town.
kenapa kau bisa tahu semua rencananya dia?
Tell him. The general's daughter.
Tom, look at
Ranko Zamani pun mengancam Kin apabila dia tidak mau berbicara soal penangkapannya itu, dia akan mengancam dan dia akan membunuh Tom.
My people handle credible weapon.
Ranko Zamani pun sudah tahu dalang dibalik semua ini yaitu Raymond Reddington.
be okay.
But finished with the chemist, so smart as Reddington says. He is always so obsessed with you.
Don't pause. You're gonna be.
Di suatu tempat, Raymond pun menghampiri Ranko Zamani.
It's good to see you, old friend.
Mereka berdua pun membicarakan Elizabeth Kin.
Go with Agent Keene.
Paid her a visit,
And the husband?
like you asked.
The general's daughter.
Dan ternyata Raymond pun membawa alat pelacak yang telah dipasang oleh FBI.
This is about much more than...
On the move. Heading westbound.
Tak lama kemudian, anggota FBI pun sampai titik lokasi GPS dan mereka berdua pun hilang.
The children. This is a... Raymond, today, plague back to them. This day, I am giving them...
Tak lama kemudian, Raymond pun menelepon Elizabeth Kin.
Still heading west. 300 yards from your position.
Dia memberitahu apa rencana Ranko Zamani yang sebenarnya.
There's a wrinkle. Zamani wants more than the general's daughter. He's after children. Tell me what Zamani said. In the house.
Dan Raymond pun bertanya, apa yang kamu lihat semenjak kejadian malam itu ketika Ranko Zamani menusuk Tom?
You see.
He asked about the chemist and about.
See. The breath was he.
Dan Kim pun baru sadar ada tato di tangannya Ranko Zamani.
There was the tattoo.
He's Serbian
Dia adalah Ortodoks Serbia.
Orthodox.
Ternyata Ranko Zamani pergi ke kebun binatang DC.
He wouldn't have a tattoo.
Too.
Field trip. DCA.
Zamani's gonna bomb the DC.
Dan ternyata di sana sudah ada Beth sedang duduk sendirian. Dan lebih parahnya lagi, tasnya Beth sudah dipasangi bom waktu oleh Ranko Zamani.
Beth? Honey? Are you alone?
Wait here for my daddy. He said not to take it off.
Tak lama kemudian, orang suruhannya Raymond Reddington pun datang untuk menjinakkan bom yang berada di tasnya si Beth.
3 minutes. I've got to evacuate. Call the.
He's on his way.
Your friend.
Beth pun mulai ketakutan dengan bom yang berada di tasnya itu.
I can't understand what that means.
We can be okay.
Yeah, baby, we're gonna be okay.
Saat detik waktu mulai habis, tiba-tiba,
Ужасно!
ya, Bom itu pun berhasil dijinakkan oleh pria itu.
Wait, what are you doing?
Dan pria itu pun pergi sambil membawa bom yang berhasil dijinakkan olehnya.
Just consider the device's payment for services. Spasibo, nasla.
Tak lama kemudian, Raymond pun datang.
He's fascinated by the thing.
That is a chemical weapon.
Dan dibarengi oleh anggota FBI. Tidak lupa ayahnya Beth pun juga datang.
Daddy!
Dan di akhir film, kita diperlihatkan Raymond, Harold, dan Ressler sedang membicarakan kasus Ranko Zamani tersebut.
You're gonna make a great team. You know that. You never look at the larger picture. The bomb didn't detonate, the girl's safe, Zamani's dead. Frankly, I think this all went down rather swimmingly.
Dan film pun bersambung. Oke guys, sampai di sini dulu alur cerita spoiler filmnya. Apabila ada kesalahan kata-kata harap dimaklum karena masih pemula ya. Oke, next kita akan bahas lagi lanjutan episode tersebut. See you.